Hello students, how are you? Welcome to video 3 in your intermediate video series. Today we will be discussing about ESP8266. So now we know that there are different types of modules, but did you know that nowadays most of the IoT devices are connected through Wi-Fi and a lot of them uses this ESP8266 based Wi-Fi module. There are several different boards available which contain this ESP8266, like the most popular Node MCU, which provides us with a couple of GPIO pins and can be directly programmed from your computer. Next comes in line is the vMOS D1 Mini, a little smaller with less functionality and can be programmed directly. Then comes the ESP12F Wi-Fi module with all the bells and whistles of a Wi-Fi module and can be programmed using an external FTDI breakout board or any other microcontroller. ESP12 is way better than very small ESP01, which provides us with very less functionality in terms of GPIO pins, only at a very slight price difference. This ESP12 retails around 90 to 100 Indian rupees, which makes it a very cheap alternative to the expensive Bluetooth module and also gives us internet connectivity alongside. We have designed our entire Wish-Tree development board around this ESP12, giving students numerous functionalities and various sensors and modules to be hooked up easily and connected to the internet. Not only you can connect it to Wi-Fi network, ESP8266 can also create a Wi-Fi hotspot which you can connect to and view its data collected. So now let's explore some technical details of our ESP12F module. It works on a 3.3 volt power supply, which can vary from 3 volts to 3.6 volts with an average current draw of 100 milliamperes and a maximum current draw of 240 milliamperes. ESP12F does not feature breadboard friendly pins due to their 2 mm pin spacing. Thus, you need an adapter if you need to hook it up to a breadboard. ESP12F supports SPI, I2C and UART communication protocols while having a 10-bit analog to digital converter. So now let's discuss the pinout of our board. We have got 22 pins in total. Starting from the reset pin, that's pin number 1. It's used to reset the program on the board. Next comes the pin that is connected to the analog to digital converter. Then we have got the enable pin, which is active and high. Then comes the GPIO 16, 14, 12 and 13. Whereas the pin number 14, 13 and 12 can be used for SPI communication. We have got the 8th pin as VCC, that's the power supply pin. Then comes the chip selection, then comes the MISO and GPIO pin number 9 and 10. Then comes the MOSI pin for the SPI communication. Then we have the clock pin and the ground pin. Then comes our GPIO 15 and GPIO 2 that is being used for UART communication. Then we have got GPIO 0, GPIO 4 and GPIO 5, our normal general purpose input output pins. Then we have got the second UART pins, the RxD and the TXD at pin number 21 and 22. That is GPIO 3 and GPIO 1. This ESP12F module can be programmed using the FTDI breakout board, but here in the Wish-Tree board we have added everything you need to program it, and thus it's just plug and program it. Hope you explore more about this module. See you next time with another video.